In this video, we will learn how to take backup and restore content in OTBI. Navigate to the content. Check the content name appear over the task pane. Click on the archive. Keep permission stores the rules and permission. Keep timestamp stores information such as created date, last access date and last modified date. Click OK. Recheck the content name and save the file. Check the location where you would like to save and save. Log into the environment on which the content needs to be restored. Navigate to the path where you would like. Click on unarchive. Browse the path that you have saved earlier on your system. None refers never overwrite the existing content. This is the default setting. All overwrite existing content except for marked read only. Old overwrite existing content if it's older than the content in the file based on the date in the keep timestamp. Force overwrites all contents, even newer content and content marked read only. ACL refers to access control list. Inherit, it takes the permissions from the parent object. Preserve, it takes the permissions from the folder that we are unarchiving. And create, it does not have any permissions. User need to set the permissions on the content. Say OK. Once the process is complete, all the content are moved to the new environment. So I hope this information is helpful to you. Please let me know if you have any queries or concerns. If you want to connect us for any reporting requirement, please connect us at the email address in the description. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.